So this structure very gently and very powerfully addressed my stress issues. We live in an environment and in our personal relationship with stress as if it is part of our life, and we carry the burden as if it's normal. In these challenging times, I was doing that, and this stress has a point where it breaks. And then I found this structure supporting me and making me see my patterns, and how when I'm self-doubting myself and self-abandoning myself in small things and in large areas of work and around people, seeing that and then finding new ways of how to deal with stress and self-doubt, I have found myself again. I feel in my skin natural, powerful, and extremely happy.